Okay, go for it, Mr. Ball. What are we waiting for?
Booting up.
Oh, it's booting up? It's on a booty call?
Nope. F10 gets you in. Control software. Turn the servo on right there. And then first thing we got to do is turn the hand wheel on. Now we got our hand wheel motion here. Okay. And then we'll touch off our tool. And
so this is officially, this is a teach machine. This is what they call a teach machine.
it
right?
is also a teach machine, yeah.
Right now you're running it in manual mode, correct?
Yeah, this is all manual. Okay, so I've touched my tool off. Pull back away. Now I'm going to go pick my program.
Oh, so you actually do pick a program then?
Can.
So it's not all manual.
It's both.
Okay, and so now you're doing both.
Yeah, so I'm going to load the program now. Now there, put it in auto mode. There's the program, it's ready to go.
Woo! What RPM is she running at?
2200.
How many hours does it have on it?
No idea.
No idea? What's the rapids on it? How fast are the rapids? You don't know how fast the rapids are?
No.
I'd have to do a little bit of research probably to find that out. So have you made a lot of parts on it? Or?
A couple thousand parts maybe.
A couple thousand? It's done good for you?
Yep. I bought it as a backup for my other machine there, so.
Very nice. Ways are in good shape.
Yep.
Have you done any? You did an overhaul on it, didn't you?
No, this is as is. This
Oh,
machine, I know it's low time. The first guy that had it for about a year or two and passed away. And then the guy I got it from picked it up. Had it for a couple years. It's not ever been used in a production shop.
So it goes up to 2120 and as low as 40.
Yep.
So it's got high, medium, low.
Mm-hmm. And you not only have to
8 and 10-inch chuck.
swing the handle, but there's also a corresponding M code that you call up to help it change speeds.
Okay.
Got RS30, 232 and floppy.
Right here.
Yeah, I've not tried either one, but it has them.
And what's the diameter of the through hole?
2 inch, I think.
2-inch spindle bore. And it's wired for 440?
No, 230 right now.
230 right now?
I don't know if it's
Dual voltage? It probably is. That was my next question.
Yeah, I don't know if it is.
This is an 8-inch chuck you have on here?
That's a 5C Pollock. Hi guys. Hi. I think you guys are here.
Okay, well,